Childcare costs are spiralling out of control for some Irish families. Parents have reported fee increases of hundreds of euro per month. The reason? Childcare providers are abandoning the government's core funding scheme in droves. A new investigation by the journal Investigates reveals more than 50 providers have pulled out in recent years, with 25 leaving this year alone. The scheme was designed to keep childcare affordable by giving providers government funding in exchange for frozen fees. But many say it's not enough to cover their rising costs. Full-time fees at one Dublin provider jumped from 190 to 300 euro a week. That's an extra 440 euro a month per child. With massive waiting lists and scarce childcare places nationwide, parents have no choice but to pay the extra fees or quit their jobs. The government promised to make childcare more affordable. Instead, for thousands of families, the only direction fees are going is up. Read the full investigation on thejournal.ie.